Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about transformations and symmetry. So let's start. When I talk about transformations, so I have here what? I have here a movement of a figure. So I have here the original figure and its image. I have here three kinds of transformations as we see. We have here, this is the translation. Remember, this is the translation, the first one. This is what? This is the reflection, and this is the rotation. Translation, reflection, and rotation. What about the translation? Translation, we have here a slide movement. This means here what? This means that this object moves here in the same here direction and with the same number of units. What about here? The rotation. The rotation here means this one. The rotation here means what? This here figure or the original figure, it turns here to this figure, turns here around a fixed point, which is the center of rotation. And what about the reflection? Reflection, we have here a flip movement. This means that we have here like as if I have a mirror. So if I have here this letter R, it will be the opposite here, in the opposite side here. Okay. Let's here talk about that translation. That translation, we have here this example. He asks us, tell whether the red image here is the translation of the blue original figure or not. Explain your reasoning. So we have here what? Each point on the original figure, it's a what? It's a translation, because we have here what? Just slide. It's like the game slide. We have here the original figure is moved in the same direction and in the same also here number of units. So this is called what? This is called translation. We have here another example to see what kind of here transformation we got. So what do you think, guys? We have here this figure, the red figure and the blue figure. So as you see, as if I'm having here a mirror, right? As if I'm having here a mirror. So you can see yourself here in an opposite side. So, and he asks me here, the mirror here is what? We are flipping here. This means this is a reflection. I have here what? I have here, it's here between y-axis or x-axis. No, this is here between y-axis. This is here between y-axis. So the line of reflection here is the y-axis. As you see, this is the line of reflection. This is the line of reflection. Okay. Let's have this one. I have here what? This one is the rotation. This one is the rotation. You know that here rotation is described by the angle and direction of rotation. So I may have here what? I may have here clockwise, means to move here according to the clock, the hands of the clock. Or we can move here counterclockwise, the opposite side. So he asks me here in this example to tell whether this image is what? Is a transformation and exactly rotation of the original figure or not. If it is, give an angle and direction of rotation. So the image here is what? What do you think, guys? This image is, this image here is what? This image here is a rotation, it rotates. So this image rotates here, this image rotates here, guys, around its origin. I have here the original figure is rotated, okay, 90 here. Can you see here the small box? 90-degree counterwise, mere the opposite here direction of the clockwise of the clock. So we got here from this point to this point. How can I go? So I will do this. Can you see this one? And we'll move like this. So I got here the 90-degree. Okay, let's have here another thing. We are talking here about the symmetry. Let the symmetry here to be a lesson by itself. Thank you for listening, my dear students. I hope you understood everything. So thank you. Bye-bye.